Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling diverse labeled images and the right tools. This is not busy work, it's the foundation. Once you have 1,000 plus examples, split into train/val/test so evaluation is meaningful. Make sure to standardize file names and choose an annotation format compatible with your model, Cocoa, or plain text works. Install dependencies now: Python, PyTorch, or TensorFlow. Open CV, so you can run preprocessing scripts immediately and avoid. You now implement preprocessing and augmentation to improve robustness. Rotate, blur, and vary brightness to simulate real conditions. Once done, load a pre-trained backbone and fine-tune on your task rather than training from scratch. This speeds up learning and reduces required data. Make sure to set a sensible learning rate schedule and batch size, and log CER and WER along with loss so you can spot overfitting. Train in increments and validate frequently to confirm improvements. You finish by optimizing and validating. Quantize or prune the model if you need lower latency, then test end-to-end on the target device to ensure performance holds. Once done, tune thresholds and inspect confusion matrices to prioritize fixes, and make sure your deployment pipeline replicates preprocessing exactly. If results are poor, start with one key troubleshooting tip: verify annotation consistency and class balance. Inconsistent labels or a broken input pipeline are the most common hidden problems and are quick to correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.